Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be sharing with you guys my coffee and hot cocoa bar. Everything here was purchased from the Dollar Tree or Target dollar spot, so super duper affordable, lots of fun. Whether it's for you, your kids, grandkids, it doesn't matter. You could do something super fun like this. A little bit goes a long way and it is perfect for the season. So I am so excited to be showing you guys how I do that. I am also going to show you guys how I make this delicious frothy coffee like a latte without the calories. It is so yummy, and once you guys know this little trick, you will not be able to drink coffee without it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do this cocoa bar, I think it'll be better set over here. So I'm going to move the coffee maker and bring the canisters over here. So whenever you do a cocoa bar or any type of like bar type thing, you want everything kind of in close quarters. But because I don't like a lot of clutter, I'm going to put it over here so it's just got its own counter space. Because I don't want to see the outlet, I will use things like cutting boards and just give it some dimension, but it also hides everything so it looks very seamless. I wanted to let you guys know that I am actually partnering with my friend Adeline Zook. She is also doing a really cool coffee and bar idea. You guys have got to go check her out. She is a very, very close friend to me, so it would just mean the world to me if you just go over, say hey, let her know that Lynn sent you. And if you guys are from Adeline's channel, thank you so much for coming and say hey. It means so much to me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. We have similar content and we have a lot of fun over here. I am going to use some command hooks to secure this. I decided not to hang anything on it because it actually fell once and I had to add more of the little sticky command hooks on the back. So that is my one little suggestion. If you have a backsplash, use the command hooks, but I wouldn't hang anything on these. Candy canes are my kids' favorite, and so when you'll see at the end of the video, when you see the final little bar tour, there's not as many candy canes because every time they came home from school, they had to get a couple and share with their friends. So here's everything all done. I've got my paper towels here and I am trying to cover the back of this. So I used some of this biscotti and I've got one of our favorite mugs. I got this from, I think this was from Michael's last year, Target dollar spot with some candy canes because these are so good in hot chocolate. The tier tray is from Target. Then one of these little $5 containers, I think this is a half gallon from Walmart. I got this so long ago, so I already had it and I filled it with the hot chocolate. Then my $3 flocked tree from Target. And then this mat here was from Target as well. It's just $2.50. Another mug. I've had these for probably 8 years, no kidding. So I have everything, and when the kids get home, I'm gonna surprise them and we are gonna have hot chocolate. Then I have this here. I believe this was also from Target dollar spot last year. And if you guys remember in last year's cocoa bar, I actually nailed it into the wall, but since we have this backsplash, I used command hooks. But so far, I think it is really, really sweet. I could probably use another one of these, but why spend extra money if you really don't have to? So before I show you the final bar and what it looks like, I am going to show you how to make a delicious drip coffee taste like a latte. Use the coffee of your choice. I'm using the holiday blend. I really love Bernie's Santa's White Christmas, but today I'll use this. Use the creamer of your choice. I'm using almond milk, any type works, and use a little frother like I have here. I purchased this at Target. It was $6, and you basically just aerate the coffee as you see here. Go up and down, and just, especially when you see that the froth is coming to the top, you kind of work that a little bit more, and it makes the most delicious, creamy, frothy coffee taste just like a latte, and it saves a ton of money. You're not having to go to Starbucks, which I still go, you know I go. Our hot chocolates, I use just a little pouch, some marshmallows, whipped cream, of course. For dairy-free friends, you can definitely do the coconut whipped cream and add a candy cane, and this is our favorite way to have hot chocolate. Here is the final look of the coffee and cocoa bar. I've added the sweetened whipped cream. I like the dairy-free coconut whipped cream, as I mentioned, so that is definitely something to try, but the kids like the sweetens. I will also use my cute little snowman cup here that I've had for so long, brings back so many good memories, and put my frother in that. I've got my biscotti back there trying to hide the outlet, and my dollar little container there full of candy canes. You can see a lot are gone because my kids have eaten them. My sweet little flocked tree, Target has these this year, so definitely go check it out. And this super cute mug holder. I did not put any mugs on that because I wasn't sure it was going to stay. They are being secured. That whole thing is being secured by command strips. I am using my canister here. I actually got this on Facebook Marketplace. You can purchase it at Walmart. I think it's about $5. My little container here is from the dollar store, $1, and filled it with marshmallows. And then I am using the coffee that I used this day, the holiday blend. I hope you guys enjoyed how I made this yummy frothy coffee and this delicious hot chocolate. You guys have got to try this. My kids were so excited. I surprised them when they came home and they were over the moon. It's been a little bit chilly here in Florida, so it has been perfect to wake up with some hot chocolate. So I hope you guys get some of these items, all from the dollar spot at Target and the Dollar Tree. Super affordable, lots of fun, and if you have kids or grandkids, or shoot, even for yourself, this is a fun little treat, and we might as well enjoy it while we can. The season comes and goes so fast, so do everything you can to make memories and enjoy it the best you can. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to check out my sweet friend Adeline, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers!